Hey there, I'm Jeanette Mihalchik, and I am an elementary music teacher with 26 years of experience and also the founder and coach of the Happy Music Teacher Academy. I discovered Stretchies a couple of years ago. I was on Amazon searching for some fun things for my students to do, and I saw these alpaca Stretchies, and I was so excited because I knew that my students would love playing with them. And I knew that it would be a good way for my students to learn tactily, I don't know if that's a word, but using their tactile senses, using their visual senses, and we also use our auditory senses. I'm so excited that Daria asked me to be a part of the Music Museum online, and I'll be teaching long and short sounds using alpaca Stretchies to Daria's old McDonald's farm in Ukraine. Hello there, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. M, and today we're going to be talking about long and short. So, this is my alpaca Stretchy. Isn't he cute? And he stretches long and he stretches short like that. So today we're going to be using our alpaca Stretchies. And if you are really lucky, you might have a super cool Stretchy like this. But we're going to start out with the alpaca Stretchy. So the alpaca Stretchy can stretch really long like that, or you can grip him right in the middle and he can stretch short like this. So, and you're going to grip him just with your fingertips. So let's start out just thinking about long and short, and I'm going to show you how it works. Here we go. Long and short, 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 long and short, 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 long, 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 short, 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 long. You want to try it with me? Here we go. Long and short, 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 long and short, 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 long, 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 short, 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 long. Good job. That was awesome. So you see and feel that the alpaca Stretchy goes nice and long on the long sounds and short on the short sounds. And the sounds sound long and short too, right? We have long and we have short, 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 short. Can you try that with me? Everybody ready? Long, short, 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 short. Today we are going to be listening to Daria's old McDonald's farm in Ukraine. And this is a super cool song. You're gonna really like it. And we are going to use long and short sounds. But first we have to talk about all the sounds. So in Daria's song, you know Old MacDonald has a farm, right? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a, and then we have different animals, right? So Daria's version has all kinds of different animals. And we are going to use our Stretchies, our alpaca Stretchies. Whoa, 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 whoa. We are going to use our alpaca Stretchies to make the long and short sounds look long and short as well as sound long and short. So each animal makes either a long sound or a short sound. So let's listen to the first one. The first one is a horse. What sound does a horse make? That's right, the horse makes a neigh sound. Can you tell me, is that a long sound or a short sound? Let's listen to it and you tell me. Neigh. Tell me. Yes, it's a long sound. So every time the horse neighs, we are going to make a long sound with our alpaca Stretchy. Neigh! Woo! Let's do the horse. Everybody ready? Neigh! Neigh! The next one is the cow. What does the cow say? Exactly, the cow says moo. Let's listen to that one and see what we think. Moo, moo. Is that long or short? It is long, you guys got it. So let's do the moo, ready? Moo, moo. Good practice. The next sound is the chicken. What does the chicken say? The chicken can say cluck or buck. So let's listen to it. Buck, 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 buck. Is that long or short? It is short. You're absolutely right. Everybody want to try it? Pick up your stretchies. Here we go. Buck, 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 buck. All short sounds. That was awesome. The next sound is the sound of the rooster. What does the rooster say? He does, he says cock-a-doodle-doo. Let's listen to that, ready? Just listen, don't pick up your stretchy yet. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Oh my goodness, what is that one? I know you can't decide, right? Because it's long and short. Let's try that one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our fingers here towards the middle and we're not gonna move them all the way out because that'll be too hard. Are you ready? Here we go. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Nice job. The next sound, the next animal is a dog. What does a dog say? Yes, a dog can say arf or woof or bark or whatever it happens to be. So let's do it on arf. Arf, 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 arf. Long or short? That's short. Everybody practice with me. Here we go. Arf, 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 arf. Again. Arf, 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 arf. Put your stretchy down. Then the last one is a kitty cat. What does a kitty cat say? Yes, a kitty cat says meow. Let's listen to it. Meow, meow, meow. Long or short? It's long, good job. So, everybody ready? We're gonna hold our stretchies here like this and all the way at the ends and we're gonna meow. Here we go. Meow, meow, meow. Fabulous, very good job. Put your stretchy down. All right, now we are going to listen to the song and I'm gonna get my super big stretchy look. He says, hello, Stretchy. Yes. You do what I do.
My friend Anya has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on this farm she has a horse, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. My friend Anya has a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Her brother Petro milks the cow, E-I-E-I-O. I think he's out there milking now, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Her brother Petro milks the cow, E-I-E-I-O. Our friend Yulia lives in town, E-I-E-I-O. Lots of chickens all around, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Our friend Yulia lives in town, E-I-E-I-O. They have have two roosters, big and red. E-I-E-I-O. One is Boris and the other is Fred. E-I-E-I-O. With a and a, here a, there a, everywhere a. They have two roosters, big and red. E-I-E-I-O. Their friend Oleg lives in town. E-I-E-I-O. His dog follows him all around. E-I-E-I-O. With a and a, here a, there a, everywhere a. Their friend Oleg lives in town. E-I-E-I-O. His sister Katya has a cat. E-I-E-I-O. Who had 6 kittens just like that. E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here a, there a, everywhere a. Their friend Katya had a cat. E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, now it's every case.
So no matter where we are today, E-I-E-I-O. Our animal friends have a lot to say. E-I-E-I-O. With a and a here a, there a, everywhere. Our animal friends have a lot to say. E-I-E-I-O.